Dream with me, let your mind explore all the things we were created for. Possibilities, an open door that keeps us reaching out for more.
I used to think slowing down was something I had to earn, that rest only came after the work, the hustle, the proving. But I'm unlearning that, because what I've realized is we don't have to prove our worth to pause. We don't have to wait until everything is perfect to come back to ourselves. Some of us have still been showing up for everyone else for so long, we forget what it feels like to show up for us, to sit still, to pour into ourselves without guilt, to remember that we are more than our productivity or our polished exterior. We think we need to become someone new to feel ready. But what if the version of us we've been waiting for has been here all along? Not broken, not behind, just quiet, waiting for space, waiting for peace, waiting for us to believe again. I'm learning not to let fear block the gifts God already placed inside of me, not to downplay my calling, not to wait for permission to walk in purpose. And maybe you're learning that too. This is a season of unshrinking, of taking up space with softness, of redefining what strength looks like. Maybe for you that means putting pen to paper. Maybe it means getting dressed in something that makes you feel like you again. Or maybe it means doing something scary, but doing it anyway. Whatever it is, let this be your reminder. You are created on purpose for a purpose. Even if you've paused, even if you've doubted, even if you've been buried under responsibility or fear, God didn't forget you. And that vision He gave you, it's still yours. So give yourself permission to show up, to be seen, to start again. You're not behind, you're being rebuilt.
Hey besties, welcome to Frugal but Chic. It's Karen. If you're new here, welcome. This is a space where we celebrate confidence, creativity, and showing up in style at any age. And if you're a returning bestie, girl, you already know I'm glad you're here. So today we are going to be doing a soft Saturday reset. I need it. So you just saw me watering some of our plants in our loft area. I did a little bit of journaling. I made some tea. This tea is this brand is no longer in business, but it's Dwell Tea. And oh my gosh, I'm so glad I still have their teas because it's amazing. Loose blend tea, chef's kiss. All right, so on the agenda for today is we're gonna be making a charcuterie board. We're gonna go out on the patio. We're gonna, chat it up. We're gonna eat. I have a book that I'm reading that I wanna try and finish up today. It's The Psychology of Money by Morgan Housewell. So I'm gonna be reading that. I got some flowers from Trader Joe's, so I need to do some floral arrangements. Trying to think what else. Oh, and then I just need to get myself prepared and ready for Monday when that rolls around too. So nothing big, just kind of just a slow, soft reset. So if that sounds like something that resonates with you, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. I love to chat it up in the comments, and we love more besties in the community. All right, so let me go change. Let's go ahead and get started on the charcuterie board. And I'm just doing a little small one for us today. And I'm gonna probably do some water with lemon and lime. All right, so enough of me yapping. Let's get into it. All right, okay, so I'm changed. I'm so excited about making this charcuterie board. So the charcuterie board that I'm gonna do is gonna be cheeses, 2 meats, fruit, and crackers. And then I'm probably gonna add a little hummus too. This is the board I'm gonna use. So this board is a little big just for me, but we're gonna make it work. And then whatever's left over, once the family wakes up, if they want some, they can have it too. So let's get started on the charcuterie board. I'm just gonna show you through the steps. I'm not gonna really talk through. I'm not an expert charcuterie board maker. But if you have any tips while you see me making it, drop it down, just because I do love to make them once in a blue moon. All right, let's get into it.
can't say enough. She pull up with that new thing. Please don't fall in love, cause I think of you all day. Yeah, I was running through my brain, can't for nothing. Cause I just know you got me thinking about forever. Got a crush, crush, crush on you. I just wanna be your only crush, crush, crush on you. I'm not the type to give it in, read it out till you're mine. Let me tell you now, I got a crush, crush, crush on you. When I was looking outside, girl, you got me lost in your eyes. I got you.
All right, besties, so charcuterie board is made. We're gonna sit outside. I don't know how long I'm gonna be out here. I've sprayed down everything so that the bugs won't attract. I have citronella candles going, but the bugs are a little ruthless out here. So let's just enjoy. I brought my book, Psychology of Money, that I'm reading. I also brought a magazine that I wanted to flip through as well. So let's enjoy. Let's pour it up, right? So for water, I'm gonna be doing the Saratoga water. I love this water. It's one of my favorites. This and Path are my favorite waters. So let's pour it up. I have a little glass with some lemon and limes. All right, let's enjoy a little reset, slow day outside.
Can I lay with you outside? Can I touch your lips with mine? 'Cause I need you now. Don't wanna leave, I just wanna be here by your side. You make me feel and believe that we ain't paradise. 'Cause I don't feel the ground. No, I don't feel the ground. But I don't feel it right. I tell you what it's all about. Does it make me feel this way? It's kinda like, whoa.
All right, besties, we are back in from outside, so I'm gonna get started on the floral arrangement. So I have this really big one, and normally I would take the floral arrangements and put them into a frog and do all that. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do this time. And then I have all of these too. So I'm gonna get started. I'm getting the floral arrangements together, and then when I'm done, I'll see if hubby wants to open up the artwork now, and I can show you guys all that too. All right.
I should've known better, deja vu. I should've known better that I'd lose. I should've known better. Tell me that this wasn't all for nothing. I should've known better than I did. I should've known better. Love's love, man. I should've known better than to give my all. It never works out for me.
All right, besties, as we're wrapping up Saturday reset, I wanted to show you some prints that my husband just got in that he ordered for the house. He ordered them from Dame More Art. I'll put her Instagram handle down below, but let's go ahead and open these up. We had an issue at first with shipping, and I reached out to her via Instagram. Impeccable customer service. She responded right away. She looked into the issue. She took care of it. She even sent us a complimentary print just for our inconvenience of just the wait with the shipping error. So yeah, we'll definitely be ordering from her again. The first print, look at this. Look at this color. Look at this detail. This is gonna look so good in the house. I can't wait for us to get this framed. And the next print is this one. Absolutely love it. And I'll go on her site and I'll put the names of these prints so that you can see them, and then you can go ahead and support her as well. And then this is the last print, and this is what she sent us as a complimentary print. I absolutely love this, and I'll definitely like go online, read a little bit more about the print, and then put the details down below. But these are so nice, and I love all of the color. We've been trying to put more color in the house. Well, we do have a decent amount of color, but adding more color in our art, like that's been our biggest thing. Yeah, so this is really good. Thank you, Dame Moore. Impeccable customer service. These prints look amazing, and I can't wait for us to frame them and show you all where we're gonna put them in the house. All right, besties, so that is a little glimpse into the morning of my Saturday reset. I hope that you all have enjoyed. I was hoping that we could really talk about kind of like my YouTube journey and me hitting 10K, and I wanted to really pour into you all and thank you all, but outside it just with the sound and everything, and I didn't have my little mic with me, but I'll probably in the next video or the video after that we'll do something. I'm still trying to think of what to do for a giveaway and where to do it. I've heard a lot of people not have a great success with doing giveaways on YouTube, so maybe I'll announce it on YouTube, but maybe you have to reach out to me on IG or something like that. I'm still trying to figure it out, but again, I just want to say thank you. I mean, I started this little corner of the internet just showing off my style, talking about confidence, hopefully inspiring all of you besties, and I cannot believe we have already grown to 10K. I'm so excited and I'm so inspired by what's to come next. And I'm looking forward to the journey. I'm looking for new besties to come. I'm looking for my day ones to still stay with me. So I thank you all. And then the next week or two, we'll talk a little bit more in depth about it, and I'll have like a great giveaway idea for you all. But that is it. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Oh, hold on. Let's talk about this subscribe thing for a little bit. So I was looking at my analytics, and I noticed that a lot of you all that are watching the videos are not subscribed. So besties, come on, help your girl out, right? So if you haven't subscribed, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. It does mean a lot to me. It shows YouTube that you're interested in my content and allows me to keep coming back every week and pouring into you all some more. But have a great week. Make it a great week, and I'll see you all next week. Bye.